Hello and welcome. If you want to make your computer faster, I'm talking about Windows operating system here. Just sit back and follow me. Let me guide you on how to make your computer run faster. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to go and clean our disk. On your keyboard, go for these two keys, the Windows logo key and the letter E. Press both of them simultaneously and that will give you this file explorer. Right click on the local disk and go for properties. So here, go and clean up your disk. I will click on that disk cleanup. Wait for a while for this process to complete. According to the information displayed here, this may take a few minutes to complete, so wait for it. So for me and for you, I think the most important files here are the recycle bin and the temporary files. Okay, go select both of them, then I will go for OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, delete files, and then let's wait for that to complete. So after that, let's go ahead and delete unwanted programs. Okay, so what you have to do on your keyboard, go for these two keys, the Windows logo key and the letter R. That will give you this run dialog box here. Here, go type appwiz.cpl and then go for OK. So here you have a lot of programs. Go look for programs that you don't need, you don't use. Go and uninstall them. For example, I might go for this. Then I will have to right click on this and go for uninstall. So uninstall all the programs that you don't use. So after that, let's go and manage startup programs. Okay, to do that, we have to do this on our keyboard. Go and hold the control key, the shift key and the escape key. Press and hold three of them simultaneously. Okay, and that will give us this task manager. So right here, just go navigate to startup. You will see all the startup programs. Okay, go and disable the ones that are not necessary. Okay, in my own case, I usually make use of Google Chrome, so I don't want Microsoft Edge to start up. If you want to disable any program, just right click on that status or right click on that and then go disable it. Okay, after that, let's go for another stage. So if you go to your file explorer, for example, you will see a lot of files like download files. Okay, when you click on that, you will see a lot of files that you downloaded that are not necessary. So here, or right click on that and then go ahead and delete. Okay, that is what you should do under downloads. Look for all the files that you don't use, that you don't need. Get rid of them to free your computer more space. Okay, have a look at the files, the pictures and everything here. Go and see if you have something that you don't make use of. Go delete them. Okay, make sure that you organize your files as well. But here comes the most important thing to do. Listen to me, many videos out there will be telling you do this, do that to make your computer faster, but there's one thing that you should know, and that is where we come. Have a look. There's what we call RAM, random access memory. It is very important. It helps the CPU a lot. So the bigger the size of your RAM, the faster your computer will be, depending on what you are doing with your computer. So have a look at this information I have here for Windows operating system. For basic usage, web browsing, document editing and all these little things, make sure that your RAM is at least 4 GB. Okay, that will make your computer very fast. But if you are multitasking, believe me, you need at least 8 GB. Like my computer right now is 8 GB and is as fast as possible. So don't try to multitask when your RAM is 2 GB. It's not gonna go well. Believe me, in this case, you need to upgrade your RAM. It's very important. When you upgrade your RAM, believe me, you will stop complaining about your computer being too slow. That is what you should take from this video. If you are into gaming or video editing, at least 16 GB will help you. Have a look at the other operating systems and you will see the specifications there. So how do you shake your RAM? By making use of the Windows logo key and the letter R. Okay, I will go for Windows logo key and letter R, and that will give us this run dialog box here. I will go type ms-info32 ms-info32 and go for OK. So you will see that the installed physical memory is 8 gigabytes. So that is my RAM. Very good for my multitasking activities. Okay, so don't try to multitask when your RAM is 2 gigabytes. So what you should do here is to take your computer to a computer specialist who is gonna install the RAM for you, and that is it. You are good to go. Thanks for watching and God bless you.